Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic cleaning of a Bolex P2 vintage 8mm movie camera. Let's get started. So upon opening up the Bolex P2, the first thing you want to do is grab a cotton swab, apply some alcohol to that, and clean this roller. I cannot stress enough to be very careful as to not push it up too much or down or break it. It's the extremely most delicate part of a Bolex camera as far as I'm concerned. You break that part, you're screwed. And you have to send the whole camera back to a repair person such as myself who services Bolex. Clean the film spool posts. One thing I do want to add is that I want to apologize for the handheld quality of my video. We're currently in the Philippines and working on a horror film, experimental horror film. And due to the pandemic of coronavirus, our resources are limited due to the lockdown, which is strict, very strict. Okay, this bar here, the silver bar, take your thumb or finger and pull it back, just like that. So around the film gate area, you'll see this piece here moved. Okay, you're going to reach in here and pull it straight up. It will give you a little resistance, but not too much. Apply some more alcohol to your swab. Keep your Bolex clean. These are well-made cameras. For those of us who know, to beginners, make sure you clean them frequently. The film gate area collects a lot of dust and particles from the celluloid film. And you may have a country such as the Philippines, although it's a beautiful country and an amazing one, it's extremely dusty. Alright, take that part when you're done. There are two little holes down at the bottom in this film gate area. And with the two little feet that you see right there on the top and the bottom, drop it down in there and simply press down very lightly. Then, this little part right here, this silver lever, press it forward. And you're done on that part. Apply some more. Use another side. You apply some more alcohol and clean the rubber roller down here at the bottom. My camera, my Bolex is extremely clean. I clean it often, as you should. Anyone who owns a Bolex. These are amazing machines. And I see a piece of dust. See what I mean? Okay, so the next thing you want to do is essentially that is it on a basic cleaning and cleaning in the field for a Bolex P2 camera and similar models. You need to do this often and also clean around the, check around the doors for any type of dust, anything like that. When you close the door, you'll know if it's closed properly, if it is, the door is flush. If you do not close the door properly, or leave this silver lever right here open with the film gate area, the door will not close. It will not let you lock it. So that's a clear indication that all you've done is leave this part right here, the silver part, open at the film gate. Simply push it back and you're done. Close the door to your Bolex P2 turn the little knob to lock it, push it down, and you're all ready to go. I hope you've enjoyed this video of a basic cleaning of a Bolex P2 and similar models. You can perform this on the field. You'll need to do it quite frequently. Again, around the film gate area, you'll want to keep that refreshed and cleaned all the time. All right, thank you very much, and do remember to subscribe to my channel for future videos on the Bolex vintage movie cameras. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.